Shubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
I would like to state that since this is 50 years of our statehood, it would be a very, very historic and a very symbolic gesture on behalf of the Government of India if it accepted the long-standing demand of the people of Meghalaya regarding inclusion of the Garo and the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Madam, this year a Padma Shri award was given to Professor Badaplin War, who is a professor in Khasi in the Department of Khasi in the Nehu campus in Shillong. And Madam, Padma Shri being awarded to a professor like that, who is an expert in Khasi, it sort of symbolizes and acknowledges the importance of Khasi language in our country. And if in the 8th schedule, if Garo and Khasi language would be included within this year, it would be extremely symbolic for our country, for our state.